So, ngayon, gagawin natin yung isang look na pinauso niya, which is makeup off and on challenge. It's me again, your Ate Bes Angge, at your service. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka palang Bes, what you're waiting for? Just click the subscribe button and click the notification bell para updated ka Bes kung may bago tayong video. So, without any chuk-chakan, let's go with the video! So, for our today's video, gagawin natin yung challenge na pinauso ni Ate Nikki. Ito, yung beauty vlogger sa ibang bansa. Super sikat niya. If I'm not mistaken, million subscriber na to. Si Ate Nikki. Napakagaling niyang mag-makeup. Napakagaling niyang mag-reviews ng mga makeup. And madami na siyang celebrities, mga international celebrities na na-makeupan. And super galing niyang mag-makeup, gumawa ng mga makeup looks. I really idolize her so much. So, ngayon, gagawin natin yung isang look na pinauso niya, which is makeup off and on challenge. Which is, yun ay, mag-makeup tayo ng half. Yung half lang yung may makeupan natin, at yung kabila ay walang makeup. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung kakalabasan sa atin. So, without further chuk-chakan, let's get started!
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Fueled by them to see the horizon.
look. Yan. Tapos sa yung kalahati. Tapos sa yung kalahati. Ito po yung on makeup. And this is off makeup. Ayan. And this is Baby Talia again. Once again. Hello! Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye!